So being an engineering undergraduate, what if you don't appear for one of the most prestigious exam, that is GATE? This might sound silly to you, but believe me, it will be a wise decision to not appear for GATE. Let me debunk few of the wrong notions surrounding the exam. I am a second year undergraduate pursuing mechanical engineering. After receiving constant mentoring and deeply analyzing my career plan, I feel GATE is not the right thing to get into. I can see people around me blindly following the trend of GATE. But hey, just think for yourself. Are you ready to dive into an ocean of uncertainty? It all looks good in the beginning, but as you reach closer to it, things start fading away gradually. Before appearing for any exam, we should properly analyze it and decide for yourself that should you dedicate your time and energy towards it. Let me throw out some vital numbers which might help you to have a thought before starting your preparation. GATE is basically an exam conducted by the IITs for getting an admission in PG courses. So is the level of paper equivalent to the IITs. And many of us who are studying in Tier 2 or Tier 3 colleges might face a difficulty to cope up with that sort of level. The second point is that it nowhere guarantees you a job at any of the PSUs. Hear it out carefully. It doesn't guarantee you a job at any of the PSUs. It just makes you eligible to sit for the interview. That too, the trend suggests you need to score at least 60 marks for it. And the interesting part is that only 20% of students are able to cross the cutoff, which is way lower than what you need for the PSUs. Which means there is a huge chunk of students filtered out, leaving them in frustration and self-doubt. There are around 50 PSUs, out of which around 25 accept GATE score as an eligibility to sit for the interview. If we take in account the entry level jobs at each PSU, it accounts to be around few thousands of jobs. I am not demeaning the GATE exam. It will provide you with various avenues in respect to your career, but we need to realize not everyone is meant for it. A huge chunk of students get nothing out of it, resulting in loss of money, time and energy. So why not plan other way around and carve a successful career? Chasing for an exam is fine, but being crazy about it leads to distress. Many engineers are having blurred career plans, which lead to frustration later on taking lethal steps. Analyze the trend and take a wise decision. There are 5 crore corporates out there who require budding engineers like you. If we ideally consider just one opening per company and we have 5 crore entry level jobs out there, fight for that and make a successful career out there rather than cribbing for a single exam and wasting your crucial time. Upskill yourself with some of the niche skills such as AI, data science, digital marketing, SEO, etc. Because the industry requires such skills. Make yourself industry ready rather than exam ready. So I would request all of you to first analyze yourself. Do SWOT if you need and then take a decision. Why to waste your time preparing for an exam which will give nothing if failed? Rather, upskill yourself and become industry ready. Decision is yours. I, Prajit Kabu, sign off for today. Thank you and have a